guys, it's Alexa from Mocostropios, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way how to make slime. So first you guys will be needing Dawn, some saline solution, some glue, I'm going to use this one today, and a bowl and something to mix with. So let's get started. So before we start, I want to show you guys that I'm going to be using this. I really don't know if it works because it's actually my first time using it. So let's try it for the clear slime. Okay, so first I add my glue. And it does pour out really fast. It looks fast when you move it inside, but when you're putting it out, it's really slow. So let's try to put a lot that we could put the beads and the glitter thingy in. This is really hard. I think like that's enough. So let's add a little bit more. I really like clear slime, that's why. Okay, now that's enough. So after you want to close your glue. And after that, you're going to want to be adding a little bit by little some saline solution. So, and yes, I do not measure. So let's add kind of a lot because actually this is a lot of glue. It kind of looks cool because if you guys come close, it looks like it's oil. So let's start mixing it. And you could see that it starts thickening up little by little. Let's add a little bit more. And if you guys would want it to get clear, you guys are gonna have to leave it for 3 days. I don't use baking soda because it actually turns hard when I do it with baking soda. So I just use this way. Let's just add a little bit more and then we could add the next ingredient. I think that's enough. I think now I'm gonna add the beads. So then when I add the activator, it could be stick. And I like it because it's gonna be able to match like Easter. They look like Easter ones. Whoa, that exploded. Let's add just a little bit teeny glitter. Well, let's do it with this first. Let's mix it in. That looks cool. Okay, so then you guys are gonna wanna take your Dawn and do not put in a lot, because if you put in a lot, it actually like turns white, and you're not gonna want it to be white. I want mine to be clear, so yeah. And then after that, when you're done pouring it in, you want to start mixing it. And right now, you can see it starts like sticky, getting sticky. And this time it's really thickening. And when you pick it up, it looks clear. So you want to add a little bit more. If it doesn't really thicken up for you, add a little bit more contact solution. So you guys see that really getting really sticky. I think I should touch it. Yeah, it's getting really thicken it up. Let's add a little bit more contact solution. It depends on you guys, if you guys do a lot or a little bit. So if you guys see that it's actually sticky, you guys can start playing. Yeah, I think we just need a little bit more done. Like that. And do not put a lot, just remember. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. It's gonna be sticky at first, but after that, it's not gonna be sticky. As you guys see. Okay guys, so I'm done, and I do not recommend you using the little beads because actually the color comes off. Those are candy ones, but if you're using the foam beads, yes, you could use those. So I'm gonna move the bowl so you guys could see. And like I didn't have the beads that I really wanted, I'm just gonna use some yellow food coloring. So I'm not gonna add a lot so it doesn't have to be dark. I'm just gonna touch it like that. And do not put your finger on it, right on it, cause it literally gets stuck. I like doing this, and as you guys could see right there, it's yellow. Well, that was cool. See? Whoa, that looks cool, guys. You guys could use any color you guys want, but I wanted to use yellow. And it looks really cool. It looks like, probably like a light coffee color. Oh, you know what it really reminds me of? Gold. I think I'm gonna put just a little bit more because it's really shiny and it will look gold. After that, okay, that was a lot. But still, I wanted to look gold. At first, it was reminding me like a coffee little look. But after, it started reminding me of gold because it really looked like gold. The yellowish. Just imagine I had gold paint. That would be even awesome. Now that looks like gold, guys. And if I have some yellow glitter, probably go add it. But I don't have some right now. Oh, and look, there's leftover slime on the spoon. Okay, guys, well, I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By the way, smash that like button. And we'll see you guys all next time. Bye!